Hey everyone! Welcome back to Megaminfos, where we take a journey through time to uncover the most fascinating events from history. You won't believe what happened on this very day. From groundbreaking inventions to shocking historical moments, we've got it all covered. So sit back, hit that like button, and let's dive into today in history.
On 24th February, several notable events have occurred in Tamil Nadu, India, and around the world. Tamil Nadu, 1948, J. Jayalalitha, a prominent actress and politician who served multiple terms as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, was born on this day. Wikipedia. India, 1739, the Battle of Karnal took place, where Iranian ruler Nader Shah defeated the Mughal Emperor Muhammad Shah, leading to the subsequent plundering of Delhi. 1944, the Central Excise and Salt Act was enacted, a pivotal moment in India's legislative history. This day is now commemorated annually as Central Excise Day to acknowledge the contributions of Central Excise officers. 1948, a plebiscite was conducted in Junagadh state, with 99% of participants approving accession to India. Wikipedia. 2010, Sachin Tendulkar became the first cricketer to score a double century in a one-day international (ODI) match. World, 1868, the U.S. House of Representatives voted to impeach President Andrew Johnson, marking the first impeachment of a U.S. president. 1918, Estonia issued its declaration of independence from the Russian Empire. 1920, the Nazi Party, NSDAP, was founded by Adolf Hitler in Munich, Germany. 1991, during the Gulf War, ground troops crossed the Saudi Arabian border into Iraq, initiating the ground phase of the war. 1989, United Airlines Flight 811 experienced an explosive decompression over the Pacific Ocean, leading to the deaths of 9 passengers. 2022, Russia launched a full-scale invasion of Ukraine, marking a significant escalation in the Russo-Ukrainian war. Wikipedia. These events highlight the diverse historical significance of 24th February across different regions and contexts.